Alright, folks.
Wing wing.
Why is it so dark? Does it have this thing turned? Alright, so we took that thing off.
VTA mod.
What does VTA stand for?
Vent to atmosphere.
Vent to atmosphere, blow-off valve.
Yeah.
It's a cheap redneck way. So I haven't just disconnected a thing. Can't know if I can't really see it. Just totally disconnected the thing down there.
Where did it go? Where does it go to?
Oh.
Yeah, to the intake tube.
Alright, so we're attempting the
Oh wait, it's gotta be plugged though.
what one needs to be plugged?
But
Go get another leg stool. Leg.
oh wait, do we have one?
Yeah. Hey, is this guy? Does this look familiar?
Chair leg mod.
You can get a pack of 4 for like $5. Now he's gonna put it on a. Hey, at least it's not your wife's car.
Yeah. Oh, buddy.
Does it fit?
Like perfect.
All right.
Hey, what you doing,
You sure that's it? Guess
What?
we'll find out. So you sure that's it?
Nope.
Doesn't seem right to me. All right, turn it on. Let's see. When two nerds get nerdy. Daisy, what are you doing? You got your butt in the video. Probably should turn off the motor while you're doing that. Considering your hand is pretty close to the moving belts. Well, I guess we're doing 4 videos today. Blow-off valve.
Yeah, give me.
Basically, I just go right here. Can't even see if it's right there. Let's come off this guy. Bada bing, bada boom. So that little hose, like I pointed in a second ago, there's a little thing right where my hand is down here. Can't see my hand, but it's there. And then you saw earlier where Evan was taking off that thing down there.
Did they see it?
Yeah, I showed him.
Sweet.
I'm not no noob.
No, you have extra. Wait.
Then we just put one of these little caps. Took this little guy, right? You guys remember this? And went like this.
Good.
And then
on the Explorer too.
just did it right there. See? Did it on the Explorer. Did it on the F150. You know what we haven't done it on?
Yours?
Mine.
You can't.
Can't?
No.
Why not?
It's a different motor. Different setup.
That's dumb.
It is dumb. It is dumb.
So if you want to do a do-it-yourself VTA blow-off deal, do yourself
Rubber leg chair mod.
size 1 1/4,
And it fits perfect.
and it fits like a glove.
And it's hard to pull off.
Like
Without-
you literally just right here where my hand is, and just I literally can't pull it off. Like it's super tight. I can't pull it off.
Really? It's funny because that's fine. There's
And right there,
the
that's where it came
pressure
from.
is pulling in anyways.
Right. So just sucking it on.
Yeah.
So there you go. I guess the video number 4 of the F-150. If you want to do a blow-off valve without spending $150 to $200 or $300. All right, next video. Let's go.
Okay. I like this actually. Looks pretty.
Watch us work.
This off.
Bro,
Yeah.
first drive with the VTA.
Ready?
I'm so ready, bro. I sure hope that this video can do that justice. Evan could pretty much do this all day. Sound of 2 turbos more than a turbo Taycan S.
Not bad. What do you think, Brenda?
I accept. I approve this message. Can you walk and just do it at the same time? Oh,